don't know if you can see that, but on the left of that tree is a bald eagle. On a birding field trip with the Bee Museum and Mr. Webb. What are you doing, Nathan? Through these little teeny binoculars?
It's looking pretty good, actually.
Everybody's getting a little muffin and water break. Checking out the waterfowl. This is what Mr. Webb would call a welfare duck. Over here for a handout. We're trying to protect the muffins from them. Because we're here to see the other birds. Downy woodpecker. I'm not going to even try to show you guys. So we're all ready to leave Salem Pond, and we turn the corner and we see this bald eagle on the top of that tree right there. I'll see if I can zoom in. Yeah, just there's a black-crowned night heron in that bunch of trees there. Trust me.